Hey kids, today we're doing hits and shits. That's right, the things that worked and the things that didn't. First of all, I would like to say that I think my biggest hit is my toy box. Right there. I love that. It's literally a toy box off of Amazon. But what I've been using it for is to sort out things like project pans, what new videos I want to do, just things that I don't have a place for on my desk I've been putting over there. I mean, just various things I've been using it for. And the tubs come out, so I mean, you can sort it out any way you want, pull them out, put them back in. It's wonderful. It's my favorite thing this month. I just got it, I don't know, like, a week ago, 2 weeks. It couldn't have been 2 weeks, but anyways, I love it. That's my favorite thing. So, Pooh's looking at me like, I thought I was your favorite thing. Not anymore. Okay. Let's talk palettes. These are some palettes that I got. This was in the makeup traveling box, and this is the Zodiac Capricorn. It's by BH Cosmetics, and I'm not a big fan, honestly, but this in the middle is the perfect inner corner highlight. I love this for that. That's the only thing I like out of this entire palette. So, this is a hit. Laura Sanchez Moods. I really love the concept behind this, that each one of these colors is named after an emoji. It's not even named, it just has like an emoji, because that's how the world speaks. You know, people have different languages, but everybody has the same pictures. I love the idea of that. It's a beautiful concept. Unfortunately, every time I use these eyeshadows, it does not blend. It does not blend. I've had some horrible eyeshadow looks. Go back and watch my previous videos. You'll see them. One time it was so bad that I filmed the video, was like, forget this, tried to blend it some more, filmed the video, looked back on it, and I was like, I can't do anything. I can't do anything. And I ended up not filming that day, or I filmed twice and it didn't work because of these eyeshadows. Usually if something's not blended right, I just go on. I mean, hello, I'm no expert, but that was terrible. So I'm just having the worst luck with this. So this is definitely a shit. Next. This is the wrapper to the AOA Studio Papa Edition Wonder Blender Microfiber. It was a makeup sponge. It was a teardrop makeup sponge that you use on your face. It was normal size, whatever. There wasn't anything spectacular about the way it looked. But it was microfiber, and I thought, well, I've got to try this. It was $1.55, so I figured, I've got to try this. It was terrible. Absolutely terrible. And the reason I don't have it is because I put it in my toy box. And then Pooh took it out of my toy box, and she put it somewhere else. I don't know. I saw her running around with it, and then it was gone. So, I don't know where it is. It's a microfiber face sponge, teardrop shaped, and it's awful. So if I ever find it again, I'll show you. But it's all off of the AOA's, or the Shop Miss A I will link that in the description below. Okay, this is ColourPop. This is one of those Jelly Mutt shadows, and this was in the color Wide Awake. Now, I immediately had to buy this because I love yellows and I love gold, and this is a beautiful yellow gold. And I used it quite a few times, but not that much. And it is dried up. And I've had this, I think I got it in December. Something like that. It was not that long ago. So I've had it for like 6 months, and it is completely unusable. I had the little lid thing, and I had the screw-on lid tightly shut. There was no question about, you know, air getting in there. It just started evaporating because I used it one time, and next time I went in, it was like so much less product in there, and it was just drying up. Very disappointed in that. It was a beautiful product when you could use it, but it didn't last very long. And that was $8. $8 for one eyeshadow that you can only use for 6 months if you're lucky. Okay, next. This is a hit and a shit. I guess much like that ColourPop thing. This is a lip smacker, and it's with collaboration with the Girl Scouts, and this was the Thin Mint scent, and oh, I just touched my nose. Yeah, it definitely smells like Thin Mints. I got this, and I put it on a few times, and I'm like, ew, chocolate. I do not like chocolate on my lips. This is something I learned with the L'Oreal liquid lipstick. I'll link the video up here. I don't like chocolate on my lips. There's something about that. It just doesn't feel right. So I was going to throw this away, and my mom's like, oh, let me try it and everything, right? She loved it. It has that really slick, slippery texture, and she loved it. Oh, I got that on my nose. Anyways, so that was that. It was a shit for me. It was a hit for her. Everybody wins, I guess. I don't know. So, this is my biggest hit. It is a crocheted blanket. Yes, it is that big. It's queen size. And I just finished it about a week ago, I guess. And I am so happy with the way it turned out. So, this is like a happy thing for me. When I was making it, I was going to do all of the trim in this gray color, and I ran out of that gray color, and I needed to do more trim to it. So I just took the wine color and put that around it, and I think it turned out nice that way. So anyways, this is some of my happy place. This is my little shits. Say hi, Pooh. She's not going to say anything. There, she say hi. So, oh, okay. So, hit like, hit subscribe, So hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!